Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I'm going to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement on Friday, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume, mainly during the afternoon hours. Right there is where the majority of the volume came pouring in. Anyway, look at it though, point being, big movement, big volume. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance going into Monday. First level of support to keep an eye on is what I would call the ideal level of support. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $8.40. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $8.40, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just keep an eye on that purple line. As long as the price is up above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 840 would be great, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going into next week? As far as sellers are concerned, pretty straightforward right now. The party finally stopped today right up there at about $8.90. So $8.90 will be public enemy number one going forward. So keep a close eye on that. But really at the end of the day, what matters the most is not levels of resistance, but as just where the lows are being built. Meaning as long as the price can start to do this, which it's been doing, and continue to do this, and if you want to picture those as stair steps, but build those higher lows, build those stair steps in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations and chipping away and building higher bases, and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.